The next question, the member for Ottawa South. Member for Ottawa South has the floor.
I live a few blocks away from the general campus of the Ottawa Hospital, and I've always heard orange helicopters going overhead. They're very close, so they're very loud. And I always think, there's a story, there's a family up there. I hear more helicopters now because we have to move people. And I want to tell you one of those stories. One of those stories is about Jamie Nguyen's uncle, who's 72 years old. There was no room for him in the ICU at Scarborough. They transferred him to the Montfort Hospital. He died there. No family, no supports, alone. And then they had to bring his body back. And they got a bill for $1,000. It's a lot of money for a lot of people. And so my question to the minister is, Minister, this is Ontario. Can you commit to ensuring that this family isn't out of pocket for this, and that we ensure that patients who pass away are repatriated to their family at our expense? Thank you.
Mr. Health.
Well, first of all, it's a tragic circumstance that this person passed away so far away from their family, and my sincere condolences go out to his family. But you're absolutely right. No one should have to pay for this transportation, and every effort is being made. We will ensure that this family is reimbursed. I understand they had already paid the costs, but we will ensure that they are reimbursed, and we are working with the hospital right now to ensure that, and we will make every effort to make sure this does not happen to anyone else.
Supplementary, the member for Scarborough-Guildwood.
Mr. Speaker, I thank the minister for her answer, and what I would like to hear you say is that you will use your existing authority to instruct hospitals that patients, regardless of transfer, whether dead or alive, will not face any bill for the circumstances that we find ourselves in. I know what it's like to have a loved one transferred. Just 2 nights ago, my family and I were up waiting for that decision. And thankfully, our relative was transferred to a hospital in the adjacent community. People are afraid. People are concerned for their loved ones. What they don't need to feel is a health system that is letting them down, because the virus is doing that job. So I really need to be able to tell Jamie today from my community in Scarborough that this was a mistake. We are very sorry, and it will never happen again to another family.
Thank you. Minister of Health.
Thank you very much. Well, I would say to the member opposite, you're absolutely right. This should never have happened. This is a very, very difficult situation, I know, for many families where their family member who may be very ill needs to be transported to another hospital in another part of Ontario to receive the care that they need. But they should not be paying for the costs, nor will they be required to pay the costs in the future. This will be made, this information will be, of course, be made available to all our hospitals. This, as I said before, should not have happened, and we will make sure it doesn't happen again. So thank you.